Here's a question asking about the differences between a Wyoming LLC and a Montana LLC. It was on one of my previous videos about anonymity and why we use Wyoming LLCs to get your name off the public record, and you can have your Wyoming holding company, which is an LLC, own multiple other LLCs in your state. For instance, here we use Florida. And the beauty about that is, in Florida, SunBiz, which is our division of corporations website, lists the names of all of the members of the LLC. So if you create a Florida LLC and somebody does an asset search or goes to SunBiz, it's going to show every business that your name is associated with. So we use Wyoming in order to shield the public information accessibility in Florida, because if they go to SunBiz and they look up your company, they're only going to see one member, and that member is another LLC, which we actually don't even tell them it's in Wyoming. But if they did figure it out and they go to the Wyoming division of corporations, they're not going to see your name. They're going to see my name or my business partner with Fortress, Jason Sampson, as the organizer or like registered agent, but your name doesn't appear on the public website. Now, for Montana, I love Montana because I'm a car nut. Many of you know that. I like buying cars, collecting cars, and all kinds of cars. I have everything from exotics to classics to muscle cars to general everyday cars. And so I like Montana because the registration, again, anonymous, and the fact is you don't pay sales tax in Montana when you purchase a vehicle in a Montana LLC. So it creates privacy, anonymity. Your name's not on the public record, and it's not attached to your license plate if somebody runs your plate. You have asset protection because it's owned by a Montana LLC that is not you individually. So if something were to happen, obviously we always recommend you have a good amount of insurance, but if a judgment was for more than the insurance, they can't go after your personal assets. And you're not paying sales tax when you purchase a new vehicle. So if you get in and out of vehicles often and you trade them and swap them and do other things, it can save you quite a bit of money annually on your sales tax obligations. So for running a business, I like Wyoming. For owning vehicles anonymously, I like Montana. That's the difference.